To get notified for unsafe listening duration at high volume on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable the ear safety alert feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find digital well-being and parental controls. Tap digital well-being and parental controls. Scroll down the screen. Tap loud listening time. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap use volume monitor. Now tap the gray on option next to ear safety alert until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, you will get periodic warning when you have been listening at high volume through your headphone for longer than what is considered to be safe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.